Hello YouTubers, I would like to show you my 4x4 remote controlled cart. As you can see, it's pretty heavy duty machine. Here I am transporting construction material. Here you can see that it's pretty heavy. I had to use both hands to lift it up. It has pretty good off-road driving even in high grass. It can carry up to 150 kilos, that is 330 pounds. It comes in handy for every purpose of transporting. I mounted two 12 volts LEDs for working in the night. It came in handy when we were building a house. I weigh about 120 kilos, that is 260 pounds. It drives me around without problem. I also used it for transporting these heavy boards. This is it for this video. Please like and subscribe.